sister Edith was here earlier, but she didn't want to film. So I have Glossybox, and I didn't want it to go up any later than today since I just got it today. So we do still have a couple of videos to post that we took the other day, but I'm going to do this one today. Hopefully the 11th, I think today is, or the 12th, the 11th, I think. Okay, so opening it up, it looks like that. And then really opening it up, it looks like this. Okay. And I always undo the ribbon. I don't know why. I should just take the stuff out. It's got little macaroons or whatever they're called on the front. And then I'm sure inside it shows us what there is. And that's the back. Okay. I always like to dive in and just get the stuff. Okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out is it Soon Skincare Golden Eye 24 karat or 24K gold hydrogel eye patches. I don't know if I'm saying that name right. I'm going to look in the book to see if that's correct. Sometimes we can't read it so clearly. Let me see if that's what it says. Oh yeah, Soon Skincare. Okay, at least I got it right. Next thing I'm pulling out is Cad Cosmetics. Kim Ariana Brielle, so it says. Lip gloss. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Cad Cosmetics. There we go. And if that, does it say what color it is? I don't know. I'll look in the book for that as well. Oh, sugar and spice, or sugar plus spice gloss. So it says it's a rose beige nude lip gloss. Okay, just trying to answer some of the questions there for you guys. This is Spa Eucalyptus and Tea Tree Cleansing Hand Spray. That's interesting. I thought I was going to say hand sanitizer. Maybe it's something like that. The next thing I'm pulling out is First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration for Dry Parched Skin, which I have very dry skin, so that should come in handy. And then I noticed on this product, the lid's off of it. So I'll put that back on. And this says Clean It Zero Tri-Peel Acid Cleansing Balm, Pore Clarifying. If the lid wasn't off that, I probably would have put it in a giveaway. But, and then I have Codole, I can never say their name right, Vino Perfect Serum, Radiance Serum, Complexion Correcting. So we love their products, me and my sister both, so that's good. I think that might be it. I'm gonna double check. Nope, that was it. So pretty good items. As you may know, we have a giveaway going on, so I'm sure that video will be posted below. Otherwise, you can check that out. I think that's it. Take care. Bye.